So this is the X, this is the Z axis homing switch. So you can see it's red. It's red at the moment, which means it's in its safe operation limit. But we can actually move. If we keep driving up, we actually move the Z axis out of its limit, and the light turns off. So you see that? Yes. An external e-stop requested. So if we pull up the diagnostic tool, you can see it's the Z home, Z limit switch that's triggered it. So you can see, sorry for the limited room, but the machine coordinates here are 0, 0, and -20. That's just because we drove the Z up and down. So we can drive the Z back, and you can see the coordinates are being read out there. And then as we move the machine using the controller, you can see the coordinates update. Okay. So you've got the machine coordinates, and then you've got this thing called work coordinates, and they're two different things. So the machine is like obviously the corner, but you might actually want to put your workpiece, you know, way up in this corner. So there's an offset, if you like. So you program in what that offset is. And we can Sorry. You're right. That's all right. Don't worry. It is a bit difficult, but cool. Last few things here. We've got a start button, a stop button, and a feed hold button. A feed hold, you can also press space. So that'll, like halfway through cutting, it'll just pause the routine. So you can move something, adjust something if you need to. And then you've got feed rate override. So you can actually, if you're cutting through something, if the tool's moving through something and you want to go faster, you can do it here, or you can bring it down slower. It's usually like a bit of a sound thing. Does it sound like things are going all right? You can also speed up the spindle up and down from programmed position. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll load a job. So let's look for a job. These are just old jobs that I have in the drive.